Yes, be ready. Exercise number 23. Start. Mr. Chairman, sir, I am extremely grateful to you for having given me an opportunity to take part in this debate. Stop. First and foremost, I would like to thank the honorable members for their very impressive homework and deep interest they have taken in the subject of national interest, which is so very important for our survival and for our economic development. Stop. As many members have pointed out that the national security of the question of defense is not only in the realm of soldiers, sailors and airmen, but in this modern security environment the entire country has to be geared to face any eventuality. Stop. If such an eventuality does arise, and many of the members have given their weighty suggestions that apart from gearing up the morale of the armed forces, the morale of the country must also be geared up. The economic strength must also be geared up. Stop. Our late Prime Minister had in this regard said that the strength of the country is not only the strength of the armed forces but also the economic strength of the country, the industrial capacity and the indomitable spirit of the country. Stop. Therefore, sir, it is very heartening that we are all unanimous in this approach to the problem that should our country face such an eventuality, we should have to rise like one person. Stop. Stanza. Sir, as is the procedure and the practice, the debate was initiated by an honorable member from the opposition, and knowing my friend who is a very intelligent lawyer, he has very intelligently gone into the question of defense planning, prospective planning, and has also gone into the aspect of planning within the ministry concerning all sections, and has brought in a host of subject, both geopolitical, geostrategic as well as the defense supplies. Stop. One of my honorable friends here had this to comment that the honorable member has probably not gone through the annual report, and had he done so he would not have raised some of the questions which he did raise. Stop. Sir, I will not be native enough to any member who has not gone through the report. Stop. He has very much gone through the report. Stop. Not only has he gone through the report, but he has also gone through a lot of printed material very intelligently, and has given his political assessment of the question of national defense planning. Full stop. Over.